Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix File Explorer not responding in Windows. Now if for whatever reason your File Explorer is not responding and it's already open, so this is how you can fix it. There can be 7 ways you can fix it. I'm going to list them out, but I'm not going to do all the 7. So the first way is by restarting your File Explorer. Second way is by checking for updates. The third way is by running System File Checker. Running System File Checker. The next method, which is the 4th method, is to clear File Explorer history. The 5th method is to check for disk space issues. The 6th is to disable antivirus temporarily, and the last method is to create a new user account. Let's start with the first method, which is to restart your File Explorer, and this can be done using the Task Manager. So you open the Task Manager by pressing the Ctrl, Shift, and the Escape key at the same time, and then let's expand this for better. The next thing, under this processes here, you look for File Explorer. If you don't have it opened here, then you can click on Windows Explorer and to show you a drop down menu with it. Now my File Explorer isn't having any issues, so you can't see anything here. But if you also have an issue, once you click on this Windows Explorer, it will show you a drop down menu and you see File Explorer there. So once you see File Explorer, click on File Explorer. That is, right click on it and then select End Task. So in the same Task Manager window, you click File and then Run New Task. And once you do that, you type explorer.exe and press Enter, and to restart your File Explorer. So the next way you can do it is by, like I said earlier, by checking for updates. Now how do you check for updates? Go to Settings, click on Updates and Security, and then click on Windows Update. So let's see. Let's do that right now. Go to Settings. So I can open Settings by pressing the 2 keys, Windows and I. Then from here, Updates and Security, click on Updates and Security. And then from Updates and Security, tap on Windows Update, which is the first one. Click on Windows Update. And then check for any available updates. Install them if necessary. So you click Check for Updates. Then if you see any updates, install them if they are necessary. Next thing, you can also update your display drivers. How do you do that? Go to Device Manager and then expand Display Adapter, right click on your display driver and select Update Driver. Now this is checking for updates. If you find any updates, I'll just simply install them. Let me go to the next one I said now, which is still part of our second task. We're going to do Windows Update and Drivers Update. So I'm going to go to Device Manager by searching for it here in the Start menu. So go and search for it, Device Manager. So this is Device Manager. We're going to open Device Manager, and then this is Device Manager. Let's expand this. Now we're going to expand Display Adapters. This is it. By right clicking on it, right click on it. Let's double click on it. Double click on it to show you your display adapter first. Yes, double click on it, then you right click on the display adapter and click on Update Driver. So it will now ask you, how do you want to search for the driver? Search automatically or browse your computer for drivers. So click on Update Driver and then choose the method you want to use. If you have it on your computer, click on Browse My Computer for Drivers. If you want to search automatically for Windows, to search your computer for the best available driver and install it on your device, click on Search Automatically for Drivers and then follow the on-screen prompts. So simple as that. Now the third method you can use is to run System File Checker. Now how do you do? Open the command prompt as an administrator, then search for CMD in the Start menu. What do I mean? The Start menu, CMD, this is it, and then to open the command prompt, click on Open. Don't click on Open, actually run as administrator. Let's do that again. CMD, then click on Run as administrator, then click on Yes. And now the next thing you're going to do is to type SFC over here. Yes, but it's blinking. SFC / scan now, no space in between, and you press Enter. This will scan for and repair corrupted system files. So simple as that. So let's do that. SFC scan now. Sorry, I was in capital letter. SFC /scan now, and then click enter. So to start scanning, as you can see, beginning system scan. This process will take some time. So once I got it to 100%, then it should have prepared all corrupted system files. So you can see it's on 1% right now. I'm going to minimize this so you can continue with the video. The next thing you can do is to clear File Explorer history. How? Open your File Explorer, click on View in the top menu. Let's do that. So we're going to open our File Explorer. Inside File Explorer, click on View here. And then the next, after clicking on View, I'm going to click on Options. Let's look for, these are the options. This is Options. Click on Options. And then the next thing I'm going to do is change folder and search options. Change folder and search options. I don't see it. Let's see under view here. Okay, general actually. This is change folder and search options. So we click on general actually. So after clicking on general, then we click on clear. This is clear here. So once you click on clear, under clear File Explorer history, you can see clear File Explorer history. So you click on clear, and once you click on clear, click on apply. This place will be highlighted, so you click on apply and then click on OK. It's as simple as that. I don't want to clear that right now. This is why I didn't do it actually. So let's move on. Next thing you can do is check for disk space issues. Now ensure you have sufficient free space on your system drive, because low disk space can significantly impact system performance. Next thing is to deactivate antivirus temporarily to see if it's interfering with File Explorer. Then the last step is to create a new user account. So in Windows, if this issue doesn't occur in the new account, it might be a problem with your current user profile. Then if the issue persists, you can also check for hardware issues, because there may be a problem with your hard drive or other hardware components. So I hope these steps help you resolve the File Explorer not responding issues. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.